alkaline builders, aluminum brighteners, and coupling aids combine to create a concentrated, non-acid cleaner that works without the use of brushes. Marvel Brushless Pressure Washer Cleaner blasts through a pressure washer without agitation and removes the toughest, sun-baked greases and soils. The non-butyl formula does not produce harmful vapors. The low to moderate foaming formula rinses freely, making this a user-friendly powerhouse. Marvel is ideal for cleaning aluminum transportation equipment, recreational vehicles, industrial equipment, aluminum siding, road signs, railroad cars, and more.